Hey guys, this is Sri and you're watching Sri Easy Success. Guys, today I am going to make a bonus video for y'all for 50 subscriber above. So guys, recently the number of subscribers that I'm having are 70 subscribers, and I am very thankful to you all that you gave me all your love and support. So let's start with this video. Today I am going to unbox this geometry box. It is from the company Domes, and I am unboxing this because I'm going to start a new series about geometry, and that will be a lot of helpful thing for y'all, I think so. And today I'm going to introduce all the basic tools that are in this geometry box and tell its uses. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, basically this is the geometry box I was talking about. This is a simple Domes Accumate mathematical instrumental box. It is also called as geometry box in many places. You can see it from all the sides. It cost me only 110 rupees. You can buy it from any nearby store, and it is not compulsory that you have to use this one only. You can use literally any geometry box you're having in your neighbors or with you. Okay, so basically when we look at the pack, it is mentioning that it gives us two mechanical pencil with 0.7 mm tip. Okay, that's a very important thing I'm going to tell in detail when I'm telling about basically the pencil. Okay, so the most important thing, let us talk about the net quantity that this geometry box is having. Here you can see 110 rupees this costs. Okay, so in this geometry box you are going to have each and every simple thing that you need in class 6 geometry and even in higher classes, that are compass, divider, set squares, protector, and mechanical pencil, eraser, sharpener, and scale. We have it, but compass, divider, set squares, and protector, it is very important cause when you're learning angle, it will be very helpful for you all. Okay, because measuring angles needs this all things. Okay, so you can see a compass net quantity is 1, divider 1, set squares, the two type of set squares that are 45 degree and 60 degree, both are here, and protector, the basic degree 180 degree, that all the protectors are made, it is having one. Okay, so let's open it. So guys, this is the geometry box inner look. Domes Accumate. Okay, so let us open this. So here it is. So guys, let us talk in detail about the pencil firstly. Okay, these are the two mechanical pencils that are given in this geometry box. Basically this is the normal pencil that we use, and it has, you can see here, it is written 0.7 mm tip. Okay, so it looks like this, right? You can see 0.7 mm tip. Okay, so you can get it from any refill pack from any store. Okay, the next thing I'm having, this nail pencil is given, it too has 0.7 mm tip. Now the very important information I have to give to y'all is, when you are purchasing any geometry box, then see to it that you are given 0.7 mm टिप पेंसिल, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी. अगर आपको नहीं मिल रही है 0.7 mm की, यू आर गेटिंग द 2.0 mm वाली, देन what you have to do is always make sure before making any diagram that it is well sharpened, because if it is not sharpened well, then your diagram will not be accurate. Okay, and if you are using any normal pencil, then make sure it is sharp. Okay, so let's get to other things that are here. The simple eraser we are having. Okay, it is given in each and every pack of geometry instruments. Now comes the important tools. Okay, so here the basic needle cap has been given, that is very protective. It will not hurt your hand, and when you have to use them, you have to remove this cap and use. Okay, so this is the basic divider used for measuring things. Okay, and nextly the compass for constructing angles and bisectors and many more things. Okay, here it is. Here you can see that a very high quality plastic it is given here, like this, and this is the hole where you have to put the pencil. Okay, so make sure this ring is perfectly tightened before you use the compass. Okay, nextly the basic scale 15 centimeter, and nextly this protector, and see to it that it is the protector is not having the hole, because कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि अगर बीच में होल बन जाता है तो फिर measuring the angles it is a bit difficult. Okay, so see to it. Next, the set squares. I will tell you in detail what are they used for. Okay, so these are the basically two set squares here, 45-degree and the 60-degree one. Okay, so all for today, guys. I've shown you all the instruments that are given in your geometry box, and they are very necessary, so you have to learn what are they used for. Okay, so one thing I'm telling you, that the geometry series is starting very soon. Okay, so get ready and stay tuned. Okay, bye guys.